Have you ever thought about how families grow like trees? Just as trees start from a single seed and branch out over time, families begin with a core group and expand through relationships, experiences, and shared memories. Each family member represents a unique branch, contributing to the overall strength and beauty of the family tree. This metaphor beautifully illustrates how our connections with one another shape our identities and provide support throughout life's challenges. Nurturing these relationships is essential for growth. Just as trees need sunlight, water, and care to thrive, families require love, communication, and understanding to flourish. When we invest time and effort into our family bonds, we create a solid foundation that can weather any storm. Strong family ties not only enhance our emotional well-being but also foster resilience, helping us navigate life's ups and downs together. Staying connected with loved ones brings numerous benefits. It creates a sense of belonging, boosts our mental health, and provides a support system that we can rely on. Whether it's through regular family gatherings, phone calls, or simply checking in, maintaining these connections enriches our lives. So, let's explore how we can cultivate our family trees, ensuring they grow strong and vibrant for generations to come. The roots of family. Just like a tree relies on its roots for stability and nourishment, family relationships are grounded in core values and traditions that support growth. These roots symbolize the beliefs and practices passed down through generations, shaping our identities and guiding our actions. Family values, such as respect, love, and loyalty, create a strong foundation that helps us navigate life's challenges together. When we honor these traditions, we reinforce our connections and ensure that our family tree remains healthy and vibrant. Communication and support are vital components of family dynamics. Open dialogue fosters understanding and trust, allowing family members to express their thoughts and feelings freely. When we communicate effectively, we create an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Additionally, offering support during difficult times strengthens our bonds and reinforces the idea that we are in this together. Just as roots intertwine beneath the surface, our relationships grow deeper when we stand by one another. I encourage you to reflect on your own family roots and connections. What values and traditions have shaped your family? How do you communicate and support each other? By recognizing and nurturing these foundational aspects, you can help your family tree flourish, ensuring that it continues to grow strong and resilient for years to come. Embrace your roots, and watch your family thrive. Branches of connection. Families can connect and grow together in a multitude of ways, much like the branches of a tree reaching out in different directions. One of the most enjoyable methods is through shared activities that strengthen bonds. Game nights, for instance, provide a fun and interactive way for family members to engage with one another. Whether it's board games, card games, or even video games, these moments create laughter and memories that last a lifetime. In today's digital age, technology plays a crucial role in maintaining connections, especially for families separated by distance. Video calls, social media, and messaging apps allow loved ones to stay in touch, share updates, and celebrate milestones, no matter where they are in the world. These tools help bridge the gap, ensuring that distance doesn't diminish the strength of family ties. Moreover, creating new traditions can foster family unity and provide opportunities for connection. Whether it's a monthly family dinner, an annual vacation, or a simple weekend hike, these rituals can become cherished moments that everyone looks forward to. Encourage your family to brainstorm and establish traditions that resonate with everyone, allowing each member to contribute their ideas. By exploring these various ways to connect, you can ensure that your family tree continues to grow, with branches that reach out and support one another in every season of life. Leaves of growth. Just as leaves on a tree represent individual growth, each family member's personal development plays a vital role in the overall health of the family unit. Pursuing passions and interests is essential for individual growth, as it allows each person to explore their unique talents and abilities. Whether it's through education, hobbies, or career advancements, personal development enriches our lives and contributes to our sense of fulfillment. When family members achieve their goals, it fosters a sense of pride within the family. Celebrating these accomplishments, no matter how big or small, strengthens the bonds between family members and reinforces the idea that everyone's journey is valued. For instance, when one sibling excels in sports or another graduates from college, the entire family can come together to acknowledge these milestones, creating a supportive environment that encourages further growth. It's important to recognize and celebrate each family member's unique journey. Everyone has their own path, and by embracing these differences, families can cultivate a culture of support and encouragement. Encourage open discussions about aspirations and dreams, allowing each person to share their experiences and challenges. By doing so, you create a nurturing atmosphere where everyone feels empowered to grow. Ultimately, the individual growth of family members not only enhances their lives but also strengthens the family unit as a whole, creating a vibrant and thriving family tree. Weathering storms together. Every family faces challenges, much like trees weathering storms. Common conflicts can arise from misunderstandings, differing opinions, or external pressures, and it's crucial to address these issues head-on. The importance of resolution cannot be overstated. Resolving conflicts not only restores harmony but also strengthens the family bond. When family members work together to find solutions, they learn valuable lessons about compromise, empathy, and respect. Resilience plays a vital role in maintaining family connections during tough times. Just as trees bend but do not break in strong winds, families can adapt and grow stronger through adversity. Building resilience involves fostering a supportive environment where each member feels safe to express their feelings and concerns. This collective strength helps families navigate challenges more effectively, reinforcing their unity. Encouraging open dialogue is essential for overcoming obstacles. Creating a space where everyone can share their thoughts without fear of judgment promotes understanding and connection. It's also important to recognize when additional help is needed. Seeking guidance from a family therapist or counselor can provide valuable tools for conflict resolution and communication. By weathering storms together, families can emerge stronger and more connected. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, and remember that every storm can lead to a brighter, more resilient family tree. Together, you can face anything that comes your way. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the beautiful metaphor of families growing like trees, highlighting the importance of connection and the various ways we can nurture our family relationships. Just as trees thrive through strong roots, branches, and leaves, our families flourish when we invest time and effort into maintaining our bonds. We discussed how foundational values and traditions serve as the roots that support our growth, while shared activities and open communication act as the branches that extend our connections. We also emphasized the significance of individual growth within the family unit. Each member's personal development contributes to the overall strength and pride of the family, reminding us that celebrating each unique journey is essential. Additionally, we addressed the challenges families face and the importance of resilience and conflict resolution in overcoming obstacles together. As we wrap up, I encourage you to reflect on your own family tree. Consider how you can nurture your relationships and support each other's growth. If you found this discussion valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more content that fosters family connections and personal development. Thank you for joining us, and let's continue to grow together as a community.